So, what do you have to say to people who believe that the housing market is going to crash?
I mean, news. If you just follow the news, I mean, it'll scare you to death. So on everything, So even real estate, everybody is listening to the news, and they're just not trying to use their common sense. Everything goes. Economy is like supply and demand, right? So they have to just understand that supply and demand. I mean, demand is so much right now on housing, unless and until somebody is gonna build many houses at once. I mean, the demand is not gonna go down, and supply is still low. And it's I told you I've been working from 2006, so I know the market when from 2006 to 2008 and to 12. That market was different, and people think that it's going to happen similar to what happened in 2006 and 8, but it's not going to happen, because that time it was different. It was subprime mortgage that created the bubble, and people couldn't afford the properties, and they were just buying the properties, and everybody was making money on the lending side. So people were just buying high prices property, and they couldn't afford, and the loan was modifying quickly. So their monthly payment was going higher quickly, so they couldn't afford. So that's why lots of property came into foreclosure. So that created that bubble. And the prices went down. But now most of the properties, if anybody wants the property from 2020 or beyond, they have at least, even small house, they have almost 100 to 150,000 equity on their house. Nobody is going to give up that equity quickly. So I don't see any. I mean, we might see some of the properties coming in foreclosure, bank owned. There'll be those kind of properties, but there are lots of investors quickly picking those up. So prices, especially in our areas, it's not going to go down. It'll just stabilize a little bit, but it's not going to go down.
If you're looking to buy, sell, build, or invest, oNest Real Estate is there for you.